Hey YouTube, bringing out today to my food forest to let you know how to fill in a raised bed for the year. This is a new raised bed, so just build it. Pretty simple out of reclaimed wood. It'll grow. True 2x12s, untreated, so it's deep enough, plenty for strawberries, but it's the wood I had, so I didn't need to go any shallower. Now I'm using the core gardening method learned from MIGardener, and that is to dig a trench through the center of your bed all the way side to side, put a pile of dirt up, and then fill it with some rotted straw. I just got this rotted straw. It's been sitting out here it's been sitting at my brother's house for well over a year, so it's good and ready to start breaking down in the bed. So I dug the trench, filled it in with some rotten straw. Now I'm going to cover it back up, bring it back when I'm done. Okay, we got all the straw covered up, some poking through. Now I'm not just going to leave it like this. I want to put a layer of compost on here before I actually plant all the strawberries in here, but I don't have that ready right now. So what I'm going to do, take that cardboard, layer it across the top. The soil always needs something to cover it, keep all the microbes from drying out in the sun. Now I realized I didn't really say why I'm doing the core gardening method, but what's actually going to happen is I'm going to saturate this whole bed down with some water, and that's going to really absorb into the straw core. And as that straw core, or as the soil around dries out, that's going to start wicking the water in from that straw core both directions. So it's going to have, I'm not going to have to water as often, which is going to be nice in the summer when I got everything else to water. Now you couldn't see it in my last video, but here's this ball. But the whole garden is covered in the wood chips. And I guess it's called back to Eden method. I didn't really know it at the time, but I have everything covered in a good healthy layer of wood chips, which you can't really tell, but it's settled down. It's not as thick anymore. I'm gonna have to put another layer from my wood chip pile over there. I'll put another layer on here this year, and I'll be doing that every year, try and make my soil better. I dig down in here. It's a little frozen, but it's also just rock hard clay. So wood chips starting to help. They need to break down. I need to get more on here. It's just going to take time. But this is where my food forest is going to be, so I need to build up the soil. The rest of this straw bale is going to go in my vegetable garden raised bed for the same core gardening method down there. So I'm going to get this covered up and I'll be back. Alright, that's pretty much it for now. I got it covered up so the soil is not drying out. Now before I plant, like I said, I'm going to put a nice healthy layer of compost on, saturate the bed real good, make sure that core is completely saturated, and then I'll plant the strawberries in here, and I should have a pretty low maintenance bed for the whole summer. I left the post a little high, as you can see, all the way around. And that's for the insect netting, or bird netting, if I need to put that out. We'll play it by ear. But I'll put the netting out and keep it up off the leaves of the plant. And I got my mason bee house right above it, the pollinators. don't know if I just got it out last year, so we'll see. Yeah, a couple of the holes are filled. Might have a couple bees in there. Alright, that's all for now. I'm out.